in there.
Oh shit.
Stay out of my way.
Enemy over there.
I don't know why sometimes then now when I open part of it is
We're inside the ring. One less thing to worry about.
oh shit, I'm taking that shit on me. And then I take that too.
Attention, Evo harvesters are online.
I started over. I think them door by yourself. Yo.
Taking fire.
Spotted. Double timing it.
Don't answer.
Spotted. Double timing it. Enemy spotted. Hostile. Right here. Got company, people.
No. I'm not going up the stairs. See my fault, that's my fault. And Lord, let's see the up there and get gone up the stairs. Yeah, let's try to move.
This way.
Where am I? The run and jump? Yeah, what about pistol?
Healing my wounds. I would do well to recharge my shields. Healing my wounds.
Yeah. Alright, where am I though?
Taking a moment to recharge my shields. Marking our surroundings. I'm taking fire. Recharging my shields. Healing my wounds.
Replicate the other one. Oh shit.
Scanning the area. I am taking fire.
Damn.
Don't know what that was.
I need to switch that up, stop the single file.
idea.
I got all the team song from go through that. Testing, testing.
Today will be our day. Fight me, girl.
You know, I just realized somebody here. Yeah, man. So, I wonder if. Actually, you know, so more time we kind of like use the gun for single fire, but we realize that's only in certain situations. Yeah. I forgot.
I've seen the other side.
Yeah, but at this time, at that moment, it's on up on rapid fire. Man, I'm running this that time.
Land there, how your friends nearby. I can
So I don't have the winnings right now, man.
land there. I'm itching to draw first
Can't lay them out the things that
Time to
I'm
kill.
up on the team now, and it's like, I want to bring down, energy, Yeah.
We should check out over there.
But yeah, man, Apex thing,
Hostile over there. Tango spotted.
Alright, I think I'll go with that second. Alright, yeah. Took out this too.
First blood. Round one.
That's interesting.
Someone took first blood from me.
We have the benefits. We are inside the ring.
Yeah,
Gotta hop up here. Gun shields generator.
alright. There's a Bruce Lee short. And something about generator.
Evo harvesters are now available.
Extended heavy mag here.
I'm gonna follow the bus.
Ammo up.
Heavy ammo here.
Let's see what can we use here.
Sniper stock here.
Hey, now grab the evac tower, yeah? Purple shit. I was about to let my go here to just pin it though. And my bird I say wire the over yesterday now.
I changed my mind.
A trail.
Over the way.
Let us catch them unaware.
If I was about to say that, oh shit. Roll up over there, so it's about to go. Wire the over there, so it's about to go. My giant crow.
We have the benefits.
My giant crow.
Surroundings.
Where did my giant crow go? Hold on then. Yes, Bruce Lee to car. Bruce Lee. One more time, I start moving on.
Got mechanical sniper mag here. Level 2.
Care package out there.
Yo, now right the car, yeah. Yeah. Trust up my head, Yo. I'm not gonna know what it's outside already. Oh, my junk pro there. Junk pro gone. Gone out the opposite way. Oh, Bruce Lee, we live, Look on YouTube and Twitch.
Syringe here.
YouTube. Damn, I'll take a Spitfire, dog. No, right. Eh?
My ultimate's ready.
Oh, my bird, then. My junk pro now over here. No junk pro over here. No junk food. We don't want the junk food. Anybody want to hit you?
Kill leader.
Or who want to evac or they hit you? There's a.
I found the heat
I
shield
wasn't
here.
very there. Me and my junk food for a while ago. Oh, my junk food?
Level 2. Mine those headshots.
My fault, so. Pick up a one piece, I know, you know? And a one piece of syringe. I'm gonna try this out. Drop this. I can't take out this. I was supposed to eat it, how much ammo we have. Can never have enough, you know. Especially when you're talking about the rampage, you know. We're good with
Let's
that.
go that way. Half the squads are left. Let's smoke
Hey, if you wanna buck up on that syringe, let me
Bounce
know.
right here.
Not much of a champion now, were they?
Optics here. Sniper.
I failed.
You can't escape.
Okay.
Atreyu and Scotty. Let us cap. I have an extended sniper mag here. Level 2.
We should check out
I
over
never heard that. Oh, the weather stuff on the corner. That way and I go. Jump across the word over there, so hold on there.
Can't escape.
No, opposite way, to the other side of the mountain. So we are going the right way, as far as... Damn, which part we actually just come from? Could be probably there. Probably then just reach over there. We need over there.
Spitfire here. There's a new kill.
Golden SMG?
Wingman here.
Hold on there.
Massive here.
Hold on for the two of them. Let me find out which part my junk go, you know. Junk cross said back away, you know.
Atreyu and Scotty. Let us catch them unaware.
I was about to send them which
Eyes
part.
up. Incoming replicator.
So, how do I send them there? On stone. By a truck. Okay.
Can't escape. Spitfire here.
The ring is close. I could use that.
Massive here.
Another one. They're gone already.
Found some extra supplies here. Time to stock up.
45 seconds. Rings nearby.
I've leveled up.
Optics here.
I should choose an upgrade too.
Okay. What is?
Don't go thinking I owe you anything.
Just take it. Fuck it. I'll take it, you know.
3-0. Rings close.
Yeah.
I am owed no gratitude. The gods, however.
No escape.
I've chosen an upgrade. Snazzy, as Voltor would say.
Alright.
10 seconds. Rings close.
Rings moving. Hustle up. Look at this.
Dibs.
Look at this.
Scanning the area.
Escape's not an option.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Care package incoming. Y'all earned this. Watch your back.
I've been jumped over there, so too. I wouldn't purpose it now.
Look at this. Don't go thinking
Boost
I owe
it,
you
what up
anything.
Thank you.
Junker, so I forgot that we're straight to spot the area where we're going now. The direction we're going now.
A leaf to our enemy. Let us follow it.
But listen, say what listen.
Bless me with sight.
Enemy here. Another squad beat us to that area. Spotted a victim over there.
Wait, one of them I building as I say, man? Oh shit, no, no move.
Taking fire. Reloading.
I spotted them, ping them already.
Cover. Spotted a target over there.
I broke
Yeah,
enemy
so one here, so one up here, so yeah? Oh
Cracked
shit.
an enemy shield. Reloading.
You won't escape.
Yo, one there over here, so now.
Target spotted.
I heal up real quick.
Loot bin restocking complete.
Alright, one down.
I downed a hostile. Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Sometimes I don't like use that shit there now, but...
Rings nearby.
Oh shit, hey! See me, sir?
Hostile.
One next one down.
Someone's got a death wish.
I downed a hostile.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Got company out there.
Now detect hostiles, you know.
Scanning the area.
See one, yeah? Oh damn, this is a single fire. Oh no good?
Reloading.
Oh no, that's a deploy.
Okay, banging at the door.
See me, sir? Oh shit, I'm down your foot. Remember, it's time I'm moving on.
Recharging shields.
You'll be all right. I got
Oh
you.
man. Oh man.
Rings moving. Hustle up.
Oh man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I know.
Get in the chimney.
Oh shit.
Let's crawl over there.
Pop the smoke.
Yeah, to your right, for real.
Marking our surroundings.
I need a fresh kill. Let's go here.
See me, sir? In my... Good, good.
Crack the skin suit shield. Reloading.
Recharging my shields.
6 more squads left. I didn't know said this shit was a single fire, the wing one.
Enemy
I
spotted.
forgot to use that.
Hostile spotted.
Oh no good?
Contact. Over there.
Contact. Hostile. My marker. Firing. Target over there. Reloading.
Skin back over there.
Beginning ring countdown.
Now watching a 6 one.
They're dropping a replicator on us if you can.
It look like them there over here so somewhere. See one up here so yeah? Them over here so and them a shoot crossway. You see somebody next to forward for me, you know. Somebody next to just pull up on me a while ago.
Care package over there. Someone's come through there already.
Yeah, 2 hostiles detected.
45 seconds. Rings nearby.
Damn. Oh shit, one more shot in one. Oh, I'm stupid as fuck. Damn, I mean fuck up that one. Good kill.
Lost to the last one. Guess so.
Up in the chimney. You'll be alright. We got you. 10 seconds. Ring's just ahead.
Yes. This upgrade will do nicely. Taking a moment to heal.
Yeah, I fucked up right there. I don't like that wing, man.
The ring is moving for life items. No. Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Spotted a victim over there.
Blessed with sight.
Ah, shit! Me jump. Yeah, no, yeah, the wrong way me go, man. God. That was stupid as fuck. Yeah. Never know what that God no. I got done it. Yeah. Oh, over yourself. One day over yourself.
Care package over here.
I missed every fucking shot. Oh, my text someone. What? Behind?
No escaping me.
No good?
Taking fire. Put a light down range.
This way.
Off smoke. Get on left. Give me a second. Recharge.
Who are them the two left? But just go into some innocent nobody where I go.
Recharging shield.
Taking fire. Reloading. Give my shield a recharge.
I am blood hunger.
Cracked an enemy.
Hey, one day in there, son. I just shoot off him a while
They
ago.
are attacking.
Fuck.
Recharging my shields.
Fuck in there, someone.
Battle here.
To your left.
Skin suits are here.
Need a leg. Silent. Broken enemy shield. Reloading.
Shit, how that one? God.
Hostile spotted.
Taking a moment to recharge.
What did they fuck?
No time to save for the kill. We've got multiple squads around us.
2 squads left.
They're all dead, but I can use the cover.
Taking a moment.
Me now no more sit there, me now no more syringe.
Recharging shield.
Be aware.
No syringe.
Look at this.
Less than 1 minute. The ring is not far. Marking our surroundings.
Yeah.
Taking a knee. Patching up.
30 seconds to get inside that ring. Another squad beat us.
6 seconds for me use up me something there, eh? Hey. Yeah. Hold on there. Boom. Me now no more heat seal. Me just down one, you know.
Taking a moment to heal.
No heat. Yeah, over that side there. Me now no heat shield about.
Final ring's close.
Ring and close in. Oh, me heat shield.
Spotting target here.
them there?
Double timing it.
Scanning the area.
Cracked an enemy shield.
Alright, and done. See what next one, yes, sir. See me, sir. And see me, sir. Oh shit. Bumbo clock down. Hey, I'm doing yourself fuck. I just won. I just am alone, you know. Alright, I'm moving. I'm not gonna die like this. Oh shit. You mother.
In the future, pay more attention. It'll do you good.
I just shit alone. Oh shit, I told them? Oh shoot. Think I just won. God no. She tricked me. Come on. Oh no, we actually lost. I didn't know say two of them when when we did that press home girl. I didn't see nobody else. Eh? Goodness, this close, man. This close to being the dog. So, what a life. So, lucky then, lucky, you know. Yeah, man. I love it, You're frozen. No Disney. Hold on now. Yeah, man. Just I try to turn up that real quick. Did I say something first? One of the close though, man. Oh, homegirl, she lucky, you know, man. Cause we don't know, say, oh, Michelle probably retreat a couple of times, but I swear somebody else got kill her before she killed me. Sometimes I use umbrella so, and it's like I not see none of the
This is your champion.
I not really see the people that more time on the video. They tell me it's a hostile detected, but they don't really let me see them more time, you know?
This is a good LZ.
Yeah, I think the junker did actually tell which part the war did gone to, you know, after a while. So we literally did walk up in a war after a while. People are over the settle. Yeah, on the left. Yeah, them people left on the left for go over there, so. Two different teams, that, you know. Well, two of them are land. One land already. Such a rasta. Such a Rastafari.
Good face.
You now going in the King Selassie area. Yeah,
I
man.
have an extended sniper mag here. Level 1.
Until it's something right and I know. On the times, you know.
Tango
Alright.
spotted.
Tango spotted already, eh? Oi. Tango spotted.
Attention,
We have,
Evo harvesters
we
are
have a
online.
tango spotted. When you say tango spotted, you say tango spotted. Because it's tango spotted. Alright, no. Alright, no. Yes, no.
To those who need it, there is an extended energy mag here. Level
Level
3.
extended heavy mag.
Found extra supplies here. Laser sight here. Level 2.
10 seconds.
Kind of
The
thing
ring
is
is
great.
close.
Extended heavy, yeah, the orange or the green. Probably when you forget what I saw it. Oh, yeah, can use that. No man, that can definitely use that, man. And that too. Wow, you're a good Samaritan.
Thanks.
Wow. Yeah, man, what you mean, man? Flatline. I mean, oh no, that's the hemlock. They all mix up me going there. I'm going there, Serge, you know.
Scanning the area.
I started detective.
There's no escape.
No.
Care package touching
No,
down.
I started
Ready for
detective,
carrier
you know.
platform. Barrel stabilizer here.
Wow.
Level 2. Help produce muzzle rise. Sniper stock here.
Wow.
Level 1.
Look at all these things everybody just finding around these places.
Extended heavy mag here. Level
Sure,
3.
I'll follow. Oh, you reach over there, sir?
There's no escape.
Oh, never mind. I think I know how. Yes, no.
Triple
My
take.
junk over here too. Yes, no. My junk over there, sir. I wish about it. I wish about it, you know. Instead of word over here, sir.
A trail to Scotty.
I'll open over there, sir. Alright, over there, sir, in the rest of you. Kind of running away from the war, but that's good. I'm actually having in the backpack. I went in the junker. Junker's over there, set up. Oh man, that thing looks scary every time I do that.
Check out that area.
I'm not thanking you.
What did he? He said, I'm not thanking you.
I want to hop up.
Nice. Some mean ass shit to say.
Just trying to escape.
Oh wow. Wow, we got stuff on here. I should get the rampage. Forget that.
Found extra supplies here. Arm up.
Yeah, you know, I feel like going on a rampage, you know.
Barrel stabilizer here.
Found an
Level
extended
3.
energy mag here. Level 2.
Extended heavy mag
Wait,
here.
hold on there.
Level 3.
I'll be 18.
Need shield here.
Be 18. I will have one away, sir. I'll be a purple things.
Ultimate
Hold on, man. I lost my junk rope. I don't know where my junk rope going. Wow, what happened to the extended? You know what? I think we got way too much ammo right now. 1, 2,
Barrel stabilizer here.
Optics here. Close range. Sniper
Wait.
stock here. Level 2.
I'll take that Phoenix.
Close range.
Nah, we got some goodies over there. We got goodies and more goodies. What is? Oh yeah, I'll throw that on there.
Risking fatigue.
Wait, that one again. Okay, hold on now.
We should check out over there.
Alright, hold on now, hold on now, hold on now. I think.
That's it for me. I'm bouncing.
Calling upon
You can climb that whole freaking wall? I was about to say. My John Crow is saying there's war in this direction, you know. Yeah, my John Crow is never wrong. My John Crow always tells me the truth, you know.
Half the squads remain. Vive el Vena.
How much I done around? Oi.
Bad guy here.
Back.
I want that. Give it to me.
That's a real. Hold it up.
Got some extra supplies
I
here.
think we're gonna
You're welcome. Sniper stock here. Level 3.
Yeah, we're running away from it. Okay. I think.
Replicator incoming.
How many junker there?
Sight.
How spot? How is it there?
Healing. Watch my back.
Oh.
Phoenix, get here.
You know, I have one of those.
Backpack here. Level 2.
9 squads left, you know. That's a good number. You know, say a long time I'm gonna try to mash up one of them purple something if you try to get like golden. So one that purple something on.
The ring is close. Time graces us.
Yeah, a long time I see my junker, you know, I'm junker there.
Sitting duck. Let's move. I vote trident.
Less than
I'm not saying that.
The ring is not.
Oh, why you said the word and they said, oh shoot, hold on now. How much? I think not enough syringe.
My stop.
Yeah, I see. I got that too.
I need a fresh standard stock here. Laser sight here. Optics here. Close range.
Marking our surroundings.
Junker, yeah, I'm just seeing my say word over here, so. Yeah? Which part, my ping? Yeah, which part, red spider them there, it look like.
Serious stopping power. We're sitting ducks. Let's move. I vote trident.
Nice. I'll drop a evac tower. Yeah, and I'll take it.
We are inside the ring.
I got top.
Faith.
I got some junker real quick. I got next one, yes sir.
Let's hunt over here.
This upgrade will give me the
The junker I say word over here, so you know.
Level 3.
31 north,
a trade to
north 30.
Let us capture
Yeah.
the
Package coming down. Could be first blood.
Oh, but take your pocket side, more to the right hand side, but can't go that way there still. Where spider them there. Eh? And I think over the side it says some more there too. So if we go over there, so but nobody not take up the care package yet.
Care package over there.
Hey, the junker I say word there to the right, yeah?
a leaf to our enemy. Let us follow it.
Yeah, over to the right hand side first.
Sniper stock here. Level 3.
Hear that? Hear that?
Trust in the old father.
Mid-range. Energy.
Hey, see it there? See them there?
Target over there. Forget that.
Yeah.
Enemy spotted.
One of them, yeah, them are somebody over there. 8 squads left. I wanna shoot.
Spotted a target over there.
Confirmed hit on target.
Now we shut the fuck.
Reloading.
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
Marking our surroundings. We have the benefit. We are inside the ring.
Yeah, a beer war over there, so.
Enemy spotted.
When I move to the left, and then members of war just and probably drag a circle, you know.
Incoming. It'll draw corpses like flies.
Attention.
Cracked an
Loot
enemy
bins have
shield.
been restocked.
Hey, so them here? Damn. Yo, and they over there saying, now, shit, I overshoot me.
Taking a moment to
Fucking spider them. Now heal up, you know. Now heal. Fucking them. Fucking messy shit, dog. Oh, damn. Wanna move?
taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Let's go this way.
Yeah.
Healing my wounds.
Shit, crazy shit. Over here, so probably.
Target over there.
Head this way.
First.
We're inside the ring.
What you wonder with the door over here, so?
Care package touching down.
All Father, give me sight.
We're still in our ring?
Got company out there. Target spotted.
Enemy out there.
See them over here, so too now, yeah?
Hostile spotted.
Them over here, so war too. 7 squad left.
Contact over there.
Yeah, see me?
Spotted.
Oh shit, sorry bro. Bumbo cut! Oh shit.
Throwing thermite grenade. Throwing thermite grenade.
Yo,
Spotted. Double timing it. Target spotted. Give me a second.
6 squad left. One. See me, sir? Shit, I'm gonna throw something. Shit. Ah, damn! Yo, see me? Them a try rushing on. Them a raid my back, yeah. Them a raid my box. I don't know. You must ain't shot me twice, dog. I don't know when to shoot good and drop me so fast. John, no, the Frost. Oh, that not kill him. Oh, that not kill him, Frost. Brother.
Full Evo catch here.
Not even say everybody welcome to the Jamaican Otaku, eh? stretch too far.
Ahead, we talk of victory and slaughter.
This is your champion. Let's reposition there.
Stay out of my way.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
I'll take that. I need any gun right about now.
Blood.
First blood. Gotta be someone. Glad it's not one of us.
Optics here. Mid-range.
It's mine. Don't touch it.
That extra supply here. Prepare soldiers for living soldiers. Ring next door. 45.
Escape's not an option.
Evo harvesters are now
Wow, we're really
available.
close to the circle too, man. That's what's up.
Ring
Oh, I
next
could
door.
hear my Janko.
One.
I heard my Janko a while ago. Oh, Janko, where are you?
Forget it.
Where are you, my Janko? You know, I was just trying to find my Janko.
No escape.
Moving.
I don't know if somebody wants this relic L star. Hold on, let me ping that shit.
L-Star here.
Master shotgun here.
Combo cloud. Hold on, no. Just transfer that. And I need that one. Wait. Will it drop?
Care package on high. Favor from the gods.
So nobody don't want a relic L star.
All father,
Huh?
give me sight.
A relic alt. Oh, okay, that's oh. Wait a minute, relic alt. Oh, a relic alternator for real. I'm tripping. Anybody fight? The L star is what kind of gun that? Energy. Okay. Yeah.
Care package over there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. Don't borrow, don't announce because already. No. I was trying to junker there. You know, some junker from the game start. Junker said, yeah. something else right now. Pause. Junker move over here. Junker move like a junker for real. How about that?
Enemy right here.
Whoa, 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 how about that, man? Hey, you can't even get to boss the alternator there. This backside.
You'll be alright. I got you.
Backside, bro. It's like, you see, let me tell you something. I'm gonna read me, but I would that pistol that. And show that. Oh, watch your door, watch your door. Not even get to crack a one shot. Not even a one shot.
Heavy ammo here.
Not even a one shot. How managed it? Tell me. I say, oh, I know I'm not some junker from the game start. Come on to me what I know which part of the war did I come from the quad. More time when the war run up on me, that shit kind of set up a weird. Not that run up on the war, is it? Like my survival instincts activate better when me run up on the war. When war run up on me is when we get caught off guard, man. And then we get to bust the alternator, man. Damn, man. So upset right now, man. Jono. So upset right now, man. So upset. Highly upset right now, man.
This is your champion.
Don't take what follows too personally, my darlings. Me and Muti just need to find a
Yeah,
way.
the champions were two.
I will choose our location for
I said
red
the
zone.
champions did our two squads.
I'm Jumpmaster. I can already smell the blood.
Oh, that, huh? Apex, that's what Apex do. I have one stream when I forgot though, with some anime things, you know? Yeah, man. Done, man. Yeah, are you a jump master? A fly a lot.
Time to kill.
That loves to fly a lot. Oh, squad look like, yo, a bunch of squads are good away there. Sure, no. Oh, yeah, good away there. Yo, I not let me think I saw it, I go for real. I say, yo, we wouldn't even need the junker to find a war. And really just I run up in a war.
Countdown.
Hold on now.
First blood.
Someone took first blood. Enemy over here. Can't wait to see them bleed. Bring
Hold on now.
close and still
Going
have
in
a
circles.
Wanna make a
Alright, that was the last one. What's that, the alternator? Okay, that.
Evo harvesters are now available.
45 seconds. Rings nearby.
Is that longbow? if anybody want that shit.
Rings close. 30
You know
seconds.
what I'm saying? Just run up. You know what I'm just
There is a new kill leader.
press it down.
The next on my list.
Bless me with sight.
Oh Father, bless me with sight, oh Father. Please, oh Father, just kindly bless me with sight, oh Father. You know, I go to unparalleled grounds, oh Father.
In progress.
These grounds, oh Father. These are unparalleled grounds, oh Father. And I just ask you to bless me with sight, oh Father. Oh God, I can't hear you.
Bless me with sight.
Oh Father, bless me. And that's all I was in here? This piece of crap. That shit, dog. Damn, can't hear a gunshot of fire though.
Delivering care package.
Gunshot of fire, your fault.
Package out there.
I don't have nothing to really say, like, you know. Like that. Aye. What the heck is that sound? I'm not seeing hostiles inside tonight, but send a junk row. Alright, junk row. I'm about to pull up on you, junk row. And you tell me where the water is, junk row. Where they at, junk row? Oh, I knew it. I knew they was over there.
There are Anscoti to be found in this
I
direction.
don't know.
Bless me with sight.
Junk row, say where they over that way.
Enemy spotted.
Champion good early.
Not much of a champion now, were they?
No, who's that talking shit? No, when Hombre said, I guess he was no champion at all. I'm a junker then. Junker said, why are they over here, so too?
A leaf to our enemy. Let us follow it.
Wait, those are rocks. So,
Heavy ammo
I
here.
don't know where up there he would be saying the water is, but. Oh, Junko. They're right here too? Oh, Junko said, where they over, so to so.
There are Anscoti to be found. My ultimate is ready. We are
Junko
blessed.
just a flare out road to fuse.
Optics here. Heat shield here. Extended heavy mag here. Level 2.
I forgot to move there.
Level 1. Help keep your
I'm
target
trying to pick
centered.
up some heavy mods. Same thing. See them here?
Target spotted. Combat.
One of them alone. See me? Boom, boom, God. I will let you shot with.
Hostile landed near me.
The hell is that, man?
Got company out there.
Ow! Damn! Wait, I can't move. Oh, hell no. What that?
Enemy landed on
Dog, one more shot, I'm dead. Oh, no, Lord Father God. Oh, he's on top of the roof of you, Peter. I need to. Oh, damn, he's about to get. Oh, Lord, Frost, it's up to you.
Throwing frag.
It's up to you,
Half the
Frost.
squads are already dead.
I don't know how many people he got to shoot,
They're
but.
all dead, but I could use it.
reloading. Give me a sec. Charge the shield.
Enemy right here.
I mean, are you good? Oh, shit. Want me to see one just gone? Chase it on the part of it. Oh, damn, you can't go that way there. Damn. I wouldn't let that squad over here, so man. I think I see him one of them where I try to press you. I'm gonna try press it, yeah? Them there, so. Are you the man? The thing get on. Damn. We trying to do that better still. Come, say them do that forward, I see him.
Medkit here.
But me know say him, I think I just him alone because I couldn't see nobody else.
Backpack here. Level 2.
Plus the gun number they have, we wouldn't even shoot from over under them. I'm lucky some even get some iron shield to drop off.
Much obliged.
No problema.
I require light ammo.
Oh, me? Me end up running go for one the purple something down.
Oh look, someone wandered into our
Extended light
safe
mag
space.
here. Level 3.
Oh look, someone wandered into our safe space.
Yeah, because when I end up mash up that look while, I end up giving me like 2 by the purple box something down. And that's what I try to get, and then I end up forward back. By the time I forward back now, I basically I go to like the spot them to which part the drunk there, which part we did there. So like every time I turn around now, it's like me say another drunk run, it's like it I tell me say people are coming from this side there, yeah. So the last time I see him now, the building was from me and Pizzle did the over there so now. And I couldn't see somebody like the drunk right time say people like ward over there so and I look on the waiver coming in and I see the waiver coming in and I say, hold on, all the drunk crowd say somebody out there so but the waiver coming in and I say, alright, continue watch out there so I guarantee somebody are running from the wave. So said so did the squad were running from way that was them. They get kicked
We'll be on our side for life fight.
or you cut. What pistol? Press down for circle. The start button. I press one.
Introducing your champion.
We're not getting a dub yet. We get a dub, ain't it? No, we're not getting a dub yet. We're not getting a dub yet. It's close. So everybody have to try to get a purple box or just us like move to one purple box. And then I go try to look for the drunk or like which part them say word there, cause same thing too if we can like we can follow him early and then find out, it's like if you can't get golden gun and I shoot people before they get them body armor up, Just I try that one struts, Like struts. Should be tactical,
I am with you, and you are with me.
It's a nice
And today, we fight.
so like a tactical genius. Like one of them ninja there and one of them show there, one of them move there. Trust in that, master.
to a champion.
Yeah, tough one.
If our paths cross, you'd wish the end came sooner.
Is that piece of dumpling?
This is a good LZ. Here we go. Ready up.
Ready up.
I think I may have been spotted.
Oh, that's cool. The map tells us like where people are falling to as we're falling. Or is that only me? That's only me that it's telling where other people are falling on the map? Because I didn't notice that before. I'll tell you this. Yeah, I don't see nobody falling out here. Oh, style. Can I drop that? Hmm.
Glad it's not one of us.
Alright, let's check out this tonight.
Firm hit on you.
Somebody, oh, that's absolutely.
Marking our surroundings.
Countdown. Focus, people. We have to get inside the ring.
Okay, got a foul over here. Got the foul. See what else we got over here? Got the foul over here, people. Got the foul. Oh, so what up?
Evo harvesters are now
Evo harvesters. What you know about that Evo harvester?
Climb in there.
Oh, I will shoot that. I would bust that the coil ago. I said somebody else shoot the coil ago, man. Yeah, see my bird, I said them.
A trail
Oh,
towards
no.
Scotty. Let us catch them
I
on
must
the
see
way.
somebody shoot something while ago.
Phasing.
Alright, must be my imagination. Did you break that open the express, man? Yeah, I'm looking on Swiss, so I must see somebody bust that on the ship.
Got an extended energy magazine. Level 2.
Maybe kind of friend, well, I'm gonna come down some ready to go, you know. Ready to go, I'm ready to go.
Got extra supplies here. A prepared soldier is a living soldier.
I know a junk, I say, oh, boy, I say, word, it, I want to try to go look up that purple
A
thing.
lead to our enemy. Let us follow it.
Knockdown shield here.
Knock
Level
down
3.
shield.
Champion eliminated. I can use that.
The champion has fallen. There's something here. Perhaps a blessing from the All Father.
Care package incoming.
If you, what the hell is this?
Watch your back.
Okay, I don't that shit. I ain't gonna get nothing from the goddamn purple gun, man.
The distance between us is vast. Focus on your maps.
Purple bin ain't even give me nothing, man.
Look at that here. Level 2.
Purple bin ain't even give me a damn thing, man.
Heavy ammo here.
I could use that.
I'm already took this one.
I could use that.
You want heavy ammo? I got some heavy ammo, man.
Extended light mag here. Level 3.
I got some.
Optics here. Close
Oh,
range.
hold on. I thought you said you needed heavy ammo.
Going to phase. Follow the tunnel.
Thank you.
Alright, what's the motive here? Yo, what that?
All Father, give me sight.
Oh, you know people up there, no man. Bombard style.
Let's go.
E here.
Bombard.
Broken enemy ship.
Oh, you dirty son of a shit type. Somebody, oh, she tried to, oh, this dirty bitch. She done assassinated. Man, you know, I heard some footsteps.
I spotted. This time I'm down. should go here.
Oh no. Whoa.
Got the banner. Let's bring him home.
Just over here raiding the hell out of my box. God damn. Uh-oh. Bombocat. How is it that you want it? I really need.
Watch it. Hostile
Oh,
landed near me.
shit, man.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Good. Inside this next ring.
Replicator being delivered.
Replicator touching down. Went up a level. I earned this upgrade.
Let's see that.
Let's reposition here.
Oh, that.
Let's go that way. Got a replicator there. Grab whatever you can carry. Deploying an evac tower.
Yo, sinner. Ay, bombo, that one is so good.
Inside the next ring. Ready to win.
Just an eye here.
Using a Phoenix kit.
Care package being delivered.
That's a gun out there, so. Bombo clad. Oh, you. Oh my God, that dude is a gun. Jesus.
Clear here.
champion.
Who wants to step up? Anyone? I'll be down there. I will guide us to victory below.
Yeah, right.
Stay close. I'm the jump master.
How awesome was that launch? For me, I mean. For you? Not.
Keep on that drop out, you know, some need to try to stop drop out so fast. Oh, I did a while ago.
Dropping in. Hang on.
Thank you. Ooh.
Ring spot. Oscar Mike.
First blood. The ring is
You
distant.
rock
Trust the
my
winds.
blue. Guess down here is fully rated.
Attention.
45
Evo
seconds.
harvesters
Ringing
are online.
Yeah?
Oscar Mike.
I'm gonna do.
Thanks.
It's,
Laser sight here.
let's see about my junk. Let's see if I got junk.
Energy ammo here.
There are Scotty. I need it.
I need it. My junk crow is saying that that way is where the war is, you know. Just to let you know, you know.
Call him if you spot him.
Just in case you wanted to know. Just in case you wanted to know. My junk crow is saying the war is that way. My junk crow has never lied to me. My junk crow.
Laser sight here. Level 1.
What? No, transfer that. Drop that. You'll never find no hostiles around here.
Light ammo. Extended light mag here. Level 1.
Extended. Hey, wait, what'd you find? Wait, where the hell are y'all at? How y'all got down there?
Weapon here.
Oh,
extra supplies here.
there's another.
Arm up.
Ooh.
Sniper stock here.
Okay,
Level 2.
hold on.
Picture.
Y'all got all the good shit around here, man. Yeah, never mind. So, let's take up a grenade. Take that up.
Thank you.
Okay, no hostiles.
No problem.
Hostiles in sight. You know, I'll be worried, man. I'll be worried around here, man. No hostiles in sight.
Optics here. Sniper. Triple take here.
I'll take that and that. I need all that.
Optics here. Sniper. Optics here. Mid-range.
Oh, the tornadoes,
Great trade.
tornadoes like, forwarding, in case anybody wanted to know. Anybody wanted to know. If anybody was asking, the tornado is forwarded. And I take a jump tower.
Thanks.
I'm gonna go get the Eagle Harvester. And then take the next jump tower. Alright.
My ultimate is ready.
Oh man, look at that, man.
Jump
I
tower
know
over there.
there's a jump tower. Thanks, man.
Activate me.
Thanks for pinging that, man.
This upgrade will give me the edge in my hunt.
Risk it for the biscuit, you know?
I bathe in
Kinda
the
like
blue.
that.
People have been through here.
A trail to Scotty.
I was going through purpose
Level
in
there.
Why? Because it couldn't just not be like that. Purpose sitting was way.
Alternator here. 2 alternating fire barrels.
I'll
Easy
take that
control.
shit. You gonna take that shit, Pistol?
I'm getting hit over here.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I got this fucking scope on this shit.
Wingman here. Need to recharge my shield.
Alright, with my jump cross then. Okay, that's.
At least 2 enemies.
Whoa.
Let
I'm
us follow
tripping.
it.
I'm tripping for real.
Attention, the champion has been eliminated.
There's another purple thing around here.
Champion.
Right around the corner. You scan the arrow.
Scanning the
Make
area.
sure no hostiles in play. Make sure there's no hostiles in Bumble Clark play. Oh, there's a. Okay, hold on. Okay, we got too much going on around here.
Next ring's far.
Where art down next ring? Oh, why did they back away now? So you know, say people are forward.
Blessings upon us. A replic. At least 2 enemy. Let us follow it. I shot across.
I was trying, my bad, man. You know, so now move away for real, dog. I need to stop it, you know. No, I need to chill out with this shit, man, for real, dog. Give him anything, dog. Oh, what that mirror look for, I don't know.
Spitfire here.
I bathe in the
Yeah, that way they were, that way they,
Care package
I
over
say
there.
word, you know. Damn,
Rings
golden
closing in
Spitfire?
one. Not very close.
half the squads remain.
Spitfire here. Far ring.
We
45 left.
don't even need anything, man. That Spitfire, man, damn.
I could use that.
Spitfire, that look very immaculate right now.
Wingman here.
Damn. First, I think the direction where you did, them say word, you know.
A trail to Scotty.
Damn, should I
Let
get
us
a
catch
shit?
them unaware.
Spitfire.
Alistar here.
Spitfire, what, heavy? Yeah. I'll take this then. I'll take it. Where's my...
Recharging my shields.
We'll take this. Yeah.
Let's go this way.
Oh, but yesterday I say word, let's say, man.
Use the map as your guide.
Right, the direction there is where the war is. It is.
Making contact with enemy. I set the portal.
Scanning the area.
That's kind of... Now forward, hold on there.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots.
Damn, look,
Care
oh my
package
god.
behind. David.
Yeah, and then... Ah, damn. Them do over there. They might go try heal him. Not forward. Whoa, they might forward there.
Hold tight. I got your back. Patching myself up.
Hold tight.
Pussycat. I was just.
Better this than the slow.
Oh, it's time my forward.
Right?
Oh, God. Alright, I'm not doing nothing. Damn, man. I need to mess up that in a carbon time. I'm gonna shoot up some move. Some move star, but nah. I'm not thinking I'm a brain. I'm not thinking I'm a. Now jump tower.
Race far, ladies. Oscar Mike.
Going to phase.
Attention. Loot bins have been restocked.
Got a replicator coming in. Patching myself up. 1 minute. Ring's not far. Placing a portal. 45 seconds. Ring's close.
So,
Placed. Patching myself up.
four squads left.
Ten seconds. The ring's close.
But no, but they want jump tower. 5 seconds rest. Have to move, Majid. Boom, boy. They not take a jump tower. Oh, okay.
It's on. Ring's moving.
Patching myself up.
Move now, though, see, turn it off forward,
Get the
man.
BLZ.
It will, man, good.
Also, my marker.
3 squads left now. Oh, wow. Such a...
Enemy over there.
Look at this.
Let's reposition here.
Oh, what a...
Got a replica.
Shooter, move.
Not sure. I think someone's targeting me.
Oscar, stay close. Tango near me.
Void running.
Also, stay close.
1 minute. Ring's pretty close. Getting shot at.
Contact on my marker.
Reloading.
Contact on my marker.
Setting a portal. Ring's not too far. 45 left. Hostile right here. Portal placed. Seconds. Hostile over there.
They might have seen me.
Plus, there no more shield
10
cells.
seconds left. Need to recharge my shield.
Broke that down. Yeah, You want a golden gun out of that now? Oh shit.
Scanner.
Oi, oi.
Avoid jump. I'm hit. Need to recharge my shields. Care package over here. I made the right choices. I'm at max level.
Sit here and there. You want to shoot to somebody to your left? To the center. See one next one there to your left. Bumbuck.
Okay.
Yeah.
2 enemy squads left.
2 squads left.
Making contact with enemy. Setting a portal.
Hey, to your left. The fuck was that?
I set the portal.
Oh man.
Contact with Tom.
Yeah. Yeah, my last one this year. I'm trying and bless and see if we can get a better result in another game, man.
Ahead. Return of Victor
Eh?
and Slaughter.
Yeah man, I try to start out myself man, so I just want to reach up there. It's usually I can get a good what do you call that shit? A good tour, isn't it? So but you know it's set up as already for us to use it out that way.
And then I'll break everything else.
Yeah man. Yeah man. I can get myself in man. Definitely
Hold on
come
tight.
could
Stop it, drop, shock, and rock.
Try to do that carrier properly, you know. Let's see if I could get a good run. Shouldn't even doubt myself. I'm trying to get a good win. Not even a round, what? Not a good win. None of those guns.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 2.
Okay, that's what I mean. I'm gonna go check that out.
Might be something good this way.
How about that? One person?
Let's go over. Got a cargo bot over there. Attention. Looks good. Got a cargo bot. First blood.
Oh, that shit's fight me.
I have an extended sniper mag
catch them unaware.
Let's put that on that. Oh well, man, no.
Evo harvesters are now available.
Whatever we're doing with that door. We will mess up by myself, but I'm not seeing it. Huh? To the vault top. I'll try to follow through me on also.
I see a loot vault over there. And I made the right choice. Got the key in hand. I say we move there.
John Cross said the word over there too.
A trail to Scotty. Let us catch them unaware.
Yeah, well, kinda. More to on the left. Well, technically buying, no, yeah. But I don't know if it's easy.
Delivering care package.
Care package on high.
Sniper stock here. Level 2.
Marking our surroundings.
Junker there right over there, so it's probably the first. I must say, Junker is opposite of me right now, so
A trail to
it should be
Scotty.
good.
Let us catch them unaware.
Closed door here. Got the vault opened. Let's see what's inside.
How the hell did you get over there, man?
Got a hop up here. Gun shield generator.
What'd you get?
Might be barrel stabilizer here. Level 3.
A trail to Scotty. Let us catch them unaware.
Extended heavy mag here. Level
Standard
3.
heavy mag.
Got a hop up here. Gun barrel stabilizer here. Level 3.
Stabilizer. The barrel stabilizer. A hurricane now forward. Oh, I storm, man. I storm. Someone says so.
Setting a portal.
I got a purple scope, you want it?
Portal's ready.
Junker, say you are that way there too. Oh, you drop this.
Cargo bot over there.
I'll take it, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah. That good.
Optics here. Close range.
Perfect. Put that on this right now.
No problem.
Alright, for the word, you know. Oh, see that right on this time, so.
Heads up. New kill leader.
Bless me with sight.
Scan out the
I
place.
pray that it bless.
And the John Cross, John Cross, say word, so which part people, the direction people are forward.
Enemies lie that
I
way.
see them where the people. We continue go so, we run up in a some ward.
Nice. Champions out. Meat wagon's having one hell of a day.
How these squads remain.
What the hell did I just do?
Backpack here. Level
Wait,
3.
where?
Got some extra supplies here. I need it. You're welcome.
Level 3 backpack? What's up? Oh shit. Yeah, man, try to come out of that last spot.
Taking a moment to heal.
Recharging my shield.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Healing. Watch my back.
Ah, boy. Done.
Eyes up. Incoming
Oh,
replicator.
yeah?
Healing my wounds.
First, I hear that say I'm on level 3 war already. Level 3 war. Yeah. Damn, man, up, drop it. Drop the stabilizer.
New kill leader. Watch
Yeah,
it six.
man.
The ring's closing in a minute. We're not close.
I had a purple stabilizer, man, and I dropped that shit.
Let's check out that way.
45 seconds. Ring ain't close. Oscar Mike.
Thanks, Bizzle.
Let's check out that way.
Alright, then I go
Punching
get
a
it.
tunnel.
Portal.
Thank you.
Portal.
Set the portal.
Bumbo card. I dropped off, man. I got scared, man.
Praise the All Father. I've leveled.
Need to
Alright,
recharge
where
my
were
shield.
they?
Hep. Thanks.
I'm gonna say word about us or something. I don't know. I can't just smell it.
That place is seeing activity. Ring's moving. Hustle up.
Bless me.
I'm a junker then. I don't know, I'm gonna say junker now. Oh, we need to move. Shit. Oh, I'm a junker there over there, so.
Delivering care package.
5 squads left. The junker has to go that way. Straight that way.
A trail to Unscotty. Let us catch them unaware.
Yeah.
Care package over there.
Open supply bin
Oh,
over
I'm
here.
supply bin, so you know them about. What is in here? Oh, what am I here? Oh. Now drop it.
Confirmed hit on cargo bot.
Good job.
All Father, give me sight.
Extended
Junker says go straight that way there.
A leaf to our enemy. Let us follow it.
We continue go that way. And you see them?
energy ammo here. He's got very little projectile drop.
We should continue there. Open supply bin over there.
Yeah, my junker there down there, so too. If you're careful there. What kind of ammo?
Beginning ring countdown.
Damn, hold on there. I'm back over there?
Attention.
Oh no.
A leaf to our enemy.
Light ammo
In
there.
front
Let
of
us
us.
follow it.
Replicator incoming.
Attention. Loot bins have been restocked.
Let's explore this way. Forget that.
Oh,
Ring's nearby. 1 minute till close here. Level 3.
this is gonna be it right here, man. 4 squads left.
Standard stock here. Level 3.
Marking our surroundings. The ring is close. A leaf to our enemy. Let us follow it.
Alright. 4 squads left.
Ring ain't far. Half
in a circle now.
Marking our surroundings. Calling upon nature's strength.
Yo, over here, so then,
At least
like,
one
it's a
enemy.
foot.
Someone traveled through here. Someone traveled through here. Black market over there. It may serve to benefit.
Maybe the over here, yeah?
Heads up. The ring's soon. Heads up. The package coming in.
So, right, don't die.
Care package over there.
I want,
Found extra supplies.
I want to do over here.
Our aim
Bro,
is
that's the upper hill.
enemies lie that way.
Prowler
Yeah, right up, push part the circle then. Alright, this one. So,
taking a knee.
how we are going to do this now? Because people are hide from you now. How about that?
Got a vault key. Could be useful. Backpack here. Level 4. Eyes up. Incoming replicator.
I don't even think I need.
Got a live one out there.
Hey, how about that man here?
Care package over there. Cancel that. Something good this way.
Marking our surroundings. The ring is close.
Oh, damn,
Time
that shit
races
down.
us.
Ring's next door. Let's check out that area.
What now, though?
Marking our surroundings.
How about that war then, man?
30 seconds left. I say we move there. Might be something good this way.
Right.
Almost there. We're
No, send it on the back away. Oh, send it now?
They're hostile over there.
Damn, man.
Use the map as your guide.
Take one out there. Oh, shit.
I'm taking fire.
Getting shot at. Reloading.
Brother, I don't know when just about. I took off everything in the out. In life. Everything in life to go out and take off.
Recharging my shields.
Healing up. Eyes are open now.
Yo. Them on.
Target over there.
Couple more shots on them dead now. Oh, God.
Reload.
Ah.
I'm taking fire. Voice jumping. Thermite grenade set. Throwing thermite grenade.
Now heal up your foot.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Give my shield a recharge. Healing. Watch my back.
Shit, I ain't.
Calling upon nature's strength.
Thank you.
A trail to Unscotty. I'm taking fire.
Shit, man.
Healing my wounds.
Whoa.
Reloading.
What pistol that?
Got this.
Oh, yeah, healing. But there, man. Ah, shit.
Taking fire.
Grenade.
1 second, we got this.
Reloading.
moves.
Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted. Watch yourself. There's an enemy attacking.
Oh shit. Ah damn, motherfucker.
Throwing thermite.
Oh no, Lord.
Throwing a frag.
I'm dead already, man.
They were all sizzling
I tried.
last night.
Just enough to stay alive now.
Contact with enemy.
Please let me go already. Bombard.
Ring's not that far.
Come on. One more thrust. Hold on there. Can't thrust
Recharging
lead.
my shields.
Can't thrust lead. One thrust.
Eyes are open though.
Oh! We was third? Man. Yo, I had that for me, man. Sean, me don't know no money. Those are some close matches. Damn, I don't know, man. Is something done? PlayStation? How will you know, sir? Oh, of course it done. That's how Apex did that run. Cause Apex pretty. You know, so with that carrier, I feel like I want to take off the fender off of it. Damn. Yeah, my PlayStation Plus is up. What, on Apex? Yeah, something like that already. Look on the quick Apex. Oh, man. Oh, damn, man, I about left it right to it. Left it. Ja. Never want to left it wrong, man. Yeah, man, so yo, me end up I run Need for Speed, you know, and I want to carry upon this way. But you want to put the corner like them on the fender, like a Honda them, right? But here's the problem now. It make a fender them kind of shove out. And I look like, why is fender have to shove out like that? I don't like it, you know. I don't like it, man. channel these days. And 330 plus, 3 star should stay above 20 miles per hour. Completion rate of 5 times, they gotta do that? Yes. Alright, and if that's the case, then let's roll out with this. Select and customize. The faster car. 958. We don't have the money for that. That's the problem. But this thing's way over 1,000. What's this cool? Red bar. What is this? These are the Otaku. Turbo. Wait, you're telling me what's the highest turbo that I have right now? Okay, so I have the highest point turbo right now. I just need to start putting the other stuff. Okay. Alright, so we have the Pro that's equipped right now. Need that Elite, man. Need that Elite brakes. Suspension though, they don't have no Elite suspension. I guess not. Drivetrain, we have Elite Plus clutch. I don't need to drop that. Gearbox. I have a 6-speed gearbox. I have a 7-speed gearbox. Ain't gonna really change much. Okay, so differential. Okay, there's no Elite Plus. Alright, so I need to get some money up real quick. What do I have? The repair kit and the inflatable tires. And I'm pulling chases. Okay. So we got the Civic, got the 2015 Civic. This is something on this. Did I change out the, oh yeah, I changed out the front lights on this too. Okay. So we got the 2015, we got the 2000 Honda Civic, got the RSX, Aston Martin, got the Beamer, got the S2, got the 92 NSX, and we got the 2017 NSX. No. Oh shit. What? Getting a lot of rep. Alright, let's roll up in the daytime. Try to get some money up. Just gonna put this car well over 1,000. So I wanted to get the RSX over 1,000 first.
Hey, guess what? We're in the big crew versus crew race. Spec out your ride and prepare for action.
But what about you? The cops still got your car.
Don't worry, I'll find some wheels. See you there.
Okay, what is she saying? What I need to do? I'm good, I'm trying to make some money. That's 41, 46, 46, 41. I don't know. I ain't gonna do this. I don't know this. Shoot. 20, Those who are running. Those who are running. Let's go get this one first. Oh, Jesus, what was that? Yeah, so I feel like I have to get to the next one. Yeah. It's so close. Because the class 50, think I still get the money? Jaja. Company man side. No sir. What is that? Yo, what the? Is he spraying? What the heck? I'm sorry, guys. Oh. Yes, sir. Yeah. And and there I use nitrous. But John. So that's called it 100. So I should have 130 grand. I think. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go do this. Where we at? This one. And I'm gonna drop down now. There's another one up here for. Who's doing it? I don't know. What is it? I thought there was one over here that was like, what is this? Time trial. 31. 21. Could have sworn there was a race over here that was at least. No, it's right here. Okay. I don't think I did any other challenges so far, but that's fine. Trying to get money. Get money. That's a good place. Gotta do all this now first. Okay, hold on. Okay. Well, first of all, y'all cartoon. I don't like this one. I didn't even hear that. Oh, that goes right there. Jesus. Oh no. Oh, what the heck? What the heck just happened? What on earth was that? Glory be to God. Got money in the bank. And Jesus. And Jesus. Jesus. I get money. 65 grand. Reserve. 203,000. Let's see, let's go to this one for 40 grand. I'm gonna search my card. L1. The RSX. I think I could jump straight to the garage. And just check out something real quick with the car. See if I could add the, I don't know if I could add, this has the elite parts, elite plus parts. So I think for this one I had to start doing, yeah, I started
Competition's
buying
getting
elite
tough out
plus
there,
already
huh?
for this. I needed to actually unlock the ultimate parts for this. Yeah. Probably gonna make this. What is this right here? Why is this in here? First of all, what car ain't in here? I've got to be kidding me. My assets. I don't know what they were doing. Anyways. What car was I looking at again? Right, I needed to get the heat races to start getting upgraded parts for this. And what I was gonna do is I was gonna go back and grab this, select and customize. So it's at 958. To do a camshaft, you could get it to 977. It's gonna, computer is gonna bring it up to 1998. It's gonna be 978, 16, 6, do this, that's gonna bring us to 15. Yes, and then this will top it off at 10:33. I think that's it. I don't think I could do anything else speed-wise. This would bring it to, the heat parts would bring it to 49. I said the best one will be this one for 49. Now we still gotta get the heat parts for this, which is that one for 38. This one by 38 as well. I forgot real quick. So we need the high heat races in order to get the ultimate plus parts. Okay, so you got ultimate parts and you got the ultimate plus. Now this card is faster. Ooh, that's what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to start buying parts for it, because if I do an entrance swap, inventory, got this one, and then we got this one that should be, alright, so I gotta buy the plus parts separate. You've got to be kidding me. So that's 217, 164, 258. Just put the fastest one. I'll bring that up to 988 fast. Turbo drive, this again, 912. That's damn, I should have just sold all of my these parts. I already sold two. Oh well. That's it for me now. I will see you another time. Oh, yeah. Yo, Bruce Lee is still out in that talk? Bruce Lee. Oh, I'm going right there. Trust fund, live there now. Trust. Live there now. Tell prison to say later. Yeah. What an interesting game. That replay. Let me go last time real quick. But I have a quick announcement. Alright. take the time out to do this much, but transition it over there. I should transition this one. Listen, man. Listen. Alright. I'm sorry, man. Okay? I'm sorry for not getting this channel up to par. I'm sorry for not delivering how I'm supposed to. Feel good. Yeah, for real. I'm not streaming the way I'm supposed to, and I do apologize for all my you know, subscribers, all my, you know, people who take the time out to, you know, click on that follow button. And I just want to say I appreciate y'all, man. We're at 88 subscribers right now, and I really do appreciate just the fact that y'all are, you know, yo, we got 2 viewers on Twitch, so follow me on YouTube, you know, tell people to follow me on Twitch, please. Trying to get my numbers up. You know, yeah, I gotta try to get this channel together, man. Really get my content stepped up. Okay, is it not? It's not my phone, I'll tell you it's not the phone. But yeah, no, you know, I'm always playing some anime stuff. Definitely still reading One Piece and talking about it. You know, doing my manga review. Gonna have to try to step up. I'm so coming to the channel soon, right? I'm gonna start working on my car, and I'll start vlogging that, right? And I'll post that on the channel. Since recently I've been trying to research on like just trying to splice or like clip my videos and post those as clips, because I need numbers in that too as far as view time. Yeah, but I know I'm really slow on content. I gotta get the Twitch together, start posting videos on that, so when people do come to my Twitch, it's not these old videos that I had since 2019 or 20 or something like that. Up to date content. Other than that, the next video I'm gonna do, I want to talk about, you know, what it would be like if we had a really cool anime game, a shonen game. There's plenty of them, but I'm gonna play like a couple games, right, on the PS3 that, to me, if all 3 of those games came together, it would make a really good shonen / anime game, adventure / action, you know, like online, party of 4, you know, just like open world, just, you know, cooperative gameplay, / gacha game, because you could pull for characters. You know, that way the game is always interesting. I do seasons, you know, every year we'll drop new characters or whatever. So we, you know, like I'd make it very interesting, man. Like, you know, Goku who will ride on Namek is different from the Goku that's fighting, you know, like Ginyu or something, you know, like, you know, just have different pulls, you know, like, oh, Goku that fought Nappa is different from the Goku that fought Raditz, of course, like, you know, a couple different Ichigos, or 5-star can evolve in a 6-star, you know, like, something interesting, man, you know, like, thinking about it, and I gotta step up my computer game. I'd have to build a really good computer that's gonna allow me to code and design such, you know, such a game. Right, so still sounds Yeah. What is this microphone, bro? Come on. Yo. I guess it's my thing is turned down. This microphone sucks, so I gotta get a better microphone. Yeah. I could tell it because I had to turn it up, and it's like it's barely reaching the cap, the bar that shows what's the max amount of sound that the microphone can record or something. And it sucks. Microphone sucks. I gotta get a new microphone. Honestly, that's what that is. I think so. I think that's what that is. Anyway, people, deuces, one love.